Good morning. We are going to be doing Google Meets a little differently. You're going to go to this waffle spot right here under your Google homepage, and you're going to click on the Meet icon. You can also do meet.google.com and also enter that, and then you're going to be joining. Now, I will give you a meeting code on Google Classroom, and you're going to put that in, whatever it is. Life Science, 1 or whatever it is, okay? Then you're going to click continue, and as long as I have started the Google Meet, then you can join me, okay? If you can't get in, wait a little while and see if maybe I'm just a little behind, okay? So, like I said, go to Google Meet, put in the code, and then join.